What is up, y'all? About to see the TEs in the daylight for the first time. They look fucking hard as fuck. Not gonna lie to you. But I decided I will take the liberty to make a driver mod video for y'all. Video cut off, not sure why. But I'm gonna make a driver mod video for y'all to see. Bunch of people saying, oh, it's not a driver mod if you watch shift, which is very weird. I don't know why people think you have to have a tune in order to be able to watch shift. You can do that on any car you want. But I'll go ahead and lift just to show you I can shift just as fast and teach everyone how to get some quicker shifts in while we're at it. But about to go swoop Harry, gonna go meet my buddy David, who's going to be doing a photo shoot in the car. We're like, what time is it? 20 minutes out on that, and I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, y'all, so first tip on driver mod, do not buy a fucking aftermarket shifter. I do not mean the knob. You can buy an aftermarket knob, but if you buy an aftermarket shifter, they never work as well as the factory one. These are the way to go. Perfect is the perfect stock shifter. On this ZR1, every car I've had is perfect. For this tiny wiener dude in the truck doing a full bias again. Anyway, probably the best thing for you to do to get used to it is just going through the gears while it's like the car's off. Just get practice slamming them. Another big thing to improve your driver mod is keep your foot hovering above the clutch when you're about to get in, or when you're about to shift. Excuse my rubbing that you probably hear. But no, always have your foot like right above it so you're just ready to pop. And we're gonna get on the highway here in a second. We'll go through the motions. Alright, so for everyone saying, oh, flat foot shifting isn't a driver mod, not everyone can do that, blah, blah, blah. I'll go ahead and lift for you on this one. Wink, wink. Ooh, missed third. Driver mod not found. Go ahead and run that back turbo. Ready to smash it to the floor when the time comes to shift. And then, honestly, you just gotta practice your throw a bunch. Once you're practicing your throw and you got it down while the car's off, it's just gonna come naturally when the car's on. Just focus all your concentration on just making sure you're shifting as fast as you can. It'll fall into gear. And then another tip: when you're shifting from 2 to 3, have your hand like this. And then when I go to back to 4th, it's helpful to keep it like this. So you're getting the proper direction. You're getting the proper direction instead of possibly missing a gear. Like I had to get on the highway. But no, sometimes if you spin it, it'll do that and pop out of gear. We'll do another one. Get this car out of my way. And we will do another 2 through 4. That'll pretty much wrap up this video. Keep it short and sweet. And then if you guys got questions, like just DM me on Instagram or drop them in the comments below. It's something that comes natural. Like when I literally first started driving in my red 350Z, I was not good. So don't expect that to happen right away. Just practice, start throwing some gears while the car's off. Just get used to the motion, clicking it into the gears. Like I said, when you're going from 2 to 3, it's best to have your hand over the top of the knob. Then when you're going 3 to 4, shift it back like this, and it'll